So let's start. What we are going to do is we are just doing this exercise. So this is a remote control using Ansible that we need to do. So prereq is key pair, EC2 instance and inventory. Key pair I have already downloaded. So if we see here, so this is my folder. Here is the key pair. So this is my key pair which I have downloaded, and we can see here also. So this is the key pair which is where I have. So what I am doing, I am using Ubuntu 22 as a remote node, so that will control my EC2 instance. So from that I am doing this. Okay, and another thing is EC2 instance. EC2 instance is already created. So this is my EC2 instance which is having this IP address 158. Third thing is inventory, that is also I have set up. So this is inventory, and here that public IP address I have placed. That is done. Now instruction. So what it is doing, we have to make the security group. So let's show you the security group what I had done. So this is my security group. So these are the rules which I have set up. 3000 also, and these are the rules which I have done. Outbound is also for all traffic. That's it. Now we have to create a playbook main hyphen remote.yml. So that is also done. So this is my playbook, and this is user ubuntu sudo and everything which I am using. Now we have to set up a role, create a role for setup. So basically, see, this is the structure role. If you see playbook file role setup, then files, and in then files index.js, and this is task in main.yml. So those we need to do. We have made it. Okay, task main.yml. Now we have to do a web server through index.js file. That code we can just if you are new to node.js, so you can just copy paste, or you can write a python or anything. Here you have to give this. Then in task main.yml, these are the things like we are updating the package. Then another task we are doing upgrading the package, sudo apt update. Then any dependency we removing. Then node.js we are installing through apt package manager. Then that is a apt sudo apt install or whatever command, and then we are doing python installation, and then we are creating a directory path in web, and directory, it is a directory which we are creating in file, and then we are just in file index.js and destination this folder, and this is the one which we are doing. That's all we are doing here. Once that is done, this part has been completed. Now what we are doing, we have to run that through this command. So although I have already run this, I will show you. This is the one which we are running here, and then we can just run this. It will work. So let's show you something. In case you are getting some error, see, suppose you are getting some error like this kind of error, unreachable or false. So you can try below things. Like what you can do is here you can set host key checking false, and this error is basically due to this file which we need to place inside here in that particular folder. I have placed it here, but it ignore it because it was not working for me. Then I was getting this error again once I had placed this, but again I was getting some another error. So like this these error I was getting. So but what we can do is simply first and best option is inside folder just put it this, or you can just create a .ssh folder, there you can put, and then just modify the permission. So yeah, it is completed. Chmod 400 and yeah, so this command you once that is done. Otherwise, if it is not running, then third and last option you can try. Go to the EC2 instance, then generate a key. This key through this command, once and empty, you just need to select empty, then it will create a file, and then open that public key, cat command, and then just copy paste this. So this public key will help you in handshake. So what I have done, this is my server, and then yeah, so that's what I have done here. Now let us see. So let's see. So it is completed here. So what we can see here, see, this is working fine. So if we see hello world, so that hello world message is coming. So it is yeah. So this IP address, public IP address, and this hello world is coming fine. So it means our code is working, and yeah, so that's all from my side. And yeah, anything, yeah, we can check if we want to see anything this session. So this is Ansible which got installed here, and yeah, yeah, so that's all as of now. So this is the solution. which it is working fine. And yeah,